Okay, right there. That's the haze coat of the engine paint. Air metal. DTM. Look at that. First coat in. I'll come back to you. Tell me what you think. I'll flip her over when I'm done. That is beautiful. There it is. Right there. Let me scrap out of the way. Just water on the tip. Just getting all the angles, and then we'll let it set. I don't know why it sounds like this can's out. Crazy. More than half full, it's like 3/4 full. Must have a bad lid. I'm gonna leave it like that. Yeah, there it is. I could put that on the shelf. And that's the back side. Waiting for the valley pan. Yep. Waiting for the valley pan. Look at that. Pretty good, huh? I would say that's pretty good. Heck yeah. Yeah. What's this? Right here. That's what we're working on right there. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks.